What's up everybody, Matt Maran here for another video from the North American International Auto Show. So Hyundai revealed the Veloster N and also the Turbo, which I'll get to in a minute. But this N is really the most exciting one here, and one of the few enthusiast vehicles actually revealed at Detroit this year. I mean, it looks really cool to me. So the main figures here: 275 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque from a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission only, and it just looks really cool. Like I said, and I love that it's manual. It looks like it's got some pretty good brakes on it there. I love the carbon fiber roof spoiler there, and just I really love, obviously this is the new 2019 Veloster, so it has the new Veloster looks. They gave the car a complete makeover, totally new independent suspension, front and rear, of course, and you can hear it sounds really good as well. But yeah, I really love the way that it looks here. A few other things here to note about it. Apparently it has an electronically controlled suspension system. It also has an electronically controlled limited slip differential. There's a 2-stage induction system, I suppose, for the intake there, rev matching, and it also has, I think, a 2-stage exhaust as well, which is what you heard there just a second ago. Yeah, so you can either get it, it comes with either Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires that are 225 wide if you get the 18-inch wheels, or 235 wide Pirelli P0 summer tires if you go for the 19s. We also got a brief look at the interior here before they made us close the doors. I guess we weren't supposed to see it, but you can see it's got some really sporty looking bucket seats. See that manual transmission there, and another really nice thing is it looks like the brakes are going to be pretty good on these as well. So they're going to come standard with 13-inch rotors up front, 11.8 inches in the rear, and although you can actually get larger brakes of 13.6 inches up front and 12.4 in the rear also if you'd like. But anyway, going over to the Veloster Turbo, so that is pretty similar to the outgoing one in regards to the specs. So it still uses a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, still does the same 201 horsepower, and I think it's like 190 pound-feet of torque. They did say, though, that the torque comes on earlier in the power band, so I think they did some retuning. It's not a straight port over or anything like that. And I really like the wheels you have on it. You can also get these available two-tone paint finishes as well. This one, as you can see, has the gray roof to go along with the red body, which I think looks really good, especially matched with those wheels. Still have the center exhaust that looks really good. And this one I actually was able to actually sit inside of it and get a close-up look at the interior to show you guys the interior on this all-new 2019 Veloster here. So really some nice improvements that they made to it. You can see the seats there look good. I like the accents of color you have. That's something that is a trend here in modern car interiors, and I'm really happy about it because it really helps make it look a lot more exciting. Has a nice steering wheel there that's similar to some other stuff you see in Hyundais. Some nice looking gauges there, a little more aggressive than what you see in other Hyundais. And coming over, you can see the steering wheel feels pretty good. Coming over the center, you got the nice 8-inch tablet touchscreen there with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on all models. Again, more of that color accenting around the start button. That's really cool. You have Qi wireless charging available, automatic or manual for the Veloster Turbo. Yeah, so really a pretty cool combo there. But anyway, that's the Hyundai Veloster N and Veloster Turbo, all new for 2019.